Dagika mo ya butokire igori y'echinsa 10 cyabona margoba etichi gatatu yeritko rye Jumatano umwaka w'2025 amaya chinsa 10 kuri teseni kyao kya bene against Soko TV Marieta Nenchenko kwa Daniel omwaga ya chinsa 10 nigo togo chaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii ase ekiombe kurwa ense ya Australia agekubotrana na aneskuru ya Kisii National and Training Polytechnic nigo obono kirire emeriana kwenda bokoreri osia ase ababorkyo baye ese bangere kona obubundi ase chikosi ichoko boko korangana no moteneniri wekiombe ke Brendan Noel nigo atebere buna abarokibwa akurwe ense ya Kenya nigo obarachie konyora obuya anane ogosomibwa nabo igogo chikwenyora chigasi asense yo ya Australia wagosirwa amono principal of school yo omanyekene buna John Okola nigo asirire buna obuya abwabo gosekogendera gokora buya eriyo obachi korengana ne chi polytechnic chinde anane bune polytechnic area ya Kabete National Polytechnic egotoka imeye county ya Kiambu ensemo area ya Kabete eriyo bachikirana amo one chi school echo.
Because what we're doing is something very unique. We're bringing Australian qualifications, which are internationally recognised. Around 36 countries globally recognise the qualifications that we'll be delivering. But it's a unique model because too often the pathway to international education and international careers for Kenyans has been too difficult. So what we're doing is bringing the programs to Kenyans to be delivered here at a significantly cheaper fee than they would pay if they travel overseas, but at the same level of quality by partnering with the fantastic polytechnics here in Kenya. We thank the government very much because the government has been key in helping set up the program, and we're really excited because it gives Kenyans the opportunities to take an international qualification which really places them in a unique position across the globe to access occupations and jobs in a global market where we know there's a big skills shortage. There certainly is in Australia. The qualifications we've identified to deliver here at Kisii National Polytechnic, as well as the other institutes, is really targeted at managing those skill shortages and providing more skilled workers with global qualifications delivered locally.
We were launching the partnership between Signet Institute Australia and Kisii National Polytechnic. Now this partnership and collaboration is about offering skill training at Kisii National Polytechnic using the Australian curriculum, and the certification will be on Australian examining bodies, and the certificates that will be given will be recognized.
Na goska mutu mwancho murgereria nigomo konyi bomurayibwense Professor Kithure Kindiki ahorokirie gwanchana nabuna umuchando obwemere oburemerwe emirimo negento kegenderete kubwatrania abasaya bange imeyense ya Kenya. Kindiki nigo atebire buna oro goseni atebire erobo yabasaya igoro yemya nigo bakochi university imbaligo cha konyora chigasi uyu oro mubaro monemono abakora abasaya gutigara pira chigasi okwana anabasaya kurwa se county ya Embu abo bekirana senka yaje ime ya Karene. Kindiki atebire buna abasaya bange ni wabatebiye gwakorende tibabwa cyenchira ayoko bikirania ebyegwe ebyo babo babwate.
One of the biggest challenges we have is employment and income opportunities for young people. We realize every year about 1 million young people leave this education system at different levels: primary, secondary, tertiary, university. Total about 1 million leave the education system. But we realize the economy is absorbing only a quarter of those who are leaving school. About 200,000, 250,000. And that is not good because over time, if 100 young people leave the school system and only 250 are absorbed, 750 will be left hopeless without opportunity. The following year the same. The following year the same. Over many years, we have accumulated a large number of young people that could have an education, but they don't have an opportunity to use that education. Could have a talent, but that talent cannot give them income. So they are there, they have talent, they have education, but they have no opportunity to make money and get an income. And that's not good for the country. And we have come with deliberate programs to reduce the number of unemployed, jobless young people so that we can tackle unemployment and lack of income opportunity head on.
Na gusika mutuo mwancho mulgeria tigatotambake igoika county area ya Nyamira. Bono magega ye familia ye mogo siria abantu bane ase ukogia gwetera umorero imeye nyumba yabo ikiria yaita imeya makoroto ward ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba imeye county ya Nyamira. Nigo familia entigaria ya sabira bokonyi igochia asabalia abatigetwe familia entigaria yebono yanganya agochia magombo magega ya kere egento kirikyo ya yete kuyera nyumba nigo basabira barai amo onna abasamaria kobasira elio goikerania obugima bwabo familia yo nigo yasireti omusacho yomo omonginoye omwana obo orenge university nabo igo mochokoro batogete basibira amo na gusamberwa ase nyumba yabo goika bakabaribu bono nigo basabira botukigo kareka ase obwango kobwatekania nagakorekyo kyo gwichania
Nkuru kusabira nyamuita kenga okwera bono nabande no moichano mona ikeranye ke nabo kengagete keke kamba gondurwa ni mwe ekera mangana yachete ntate biringo imukibugo ngojigo ko nganyana na bana bane bakoye babeire libu no rokete ngaba ali bakoye chiali ono na tantanete gasinyo gentongo kora ono ngong chane ta abana na tigeirwe abana chintakana una basogete batagwati kende mumanye ta abana baisege ngakibago tumekangana bagwate batagwati kende ngakibago sirwa ngana
asenge twanyolire tekeranye eke kongumono ekera gosiria abantu bana ase family ndete kyomo cyane sana but musoti umindo ngatiga abana atigeta abana bane kuna mwati kire kuiwa babere ngokora bali form 4 omokoti ngokorare kipse grade 6 no monene akolete catering lakini takwati asi yakora na I appeal to the national government na county yetu ya Nyamira, the officials abanene yona ngo basabanga akimukonye family abana abanyole stili haki yao ikera ko yandu atebiunga tudineke mebireye kumaine mutararekana but ngo akire county commissioner ya Nyamira ngambiyamon ekiagera arule owochika abana abanyole haki yabo tegere amasisha maye kogendera.
Osika mutuo mwancho mulgeria togotigare imeye county yo ya Nyamira nigo bona abanyimbo korwa ikinyoro kya Mausi ward ya Nyamaiya imeye county ya Nyamira bachakiro Mosako Mutindi kumurigyo mu muroyo mo obwe myaka 23 ase Marieta Gideon Makori oyo gotebakana komoito munyaroko yomo ase Erieta Faith oyo renge omwanchoye na gutinde ko maberoye ase engore yamo yelibwago oritambe abasani amone amate anyagusira nigo obaikire asense mo mobero yo ogotebekana gutinde kwa elio kongea emiroberi yo kunyurubora nigo egotebekana abuna babera abo nigo bakoreta amatemu abo yekerasi ge 12 mwako eta na bonsi nigo bakubeire gochia basowa ase university ya Machakos Faith nigo abeire kagosira gusiniga asire asege ka kimutienyi oyo mabono.
Mwili imekaa hapa kwa siku 2 na bado hatujajua chanzo ni nini na mbona bado hii mwili imekaa hapa kwa hii masiku zote.
Ni jirani huyo Faith mwenye anaongelewa amezikwa hapa nyuma. So Faith mimi nilikuwa namjua ni msichana, alikuwa msichana mpoa sana. Alikuwa anaenda Gata Church every Saturday. Alikuwa tu ndio alikuwa anasaidia jobs mingi huko kwao. Alikuwa mtu kanisa, kuwa na mambo mingi, sijasikia akigombana na watu.
Tukachimba kidogo, tukakuta kumbe mwili iko chini, nywele ikaonekana. Na mwili mwingine kidogo tu ikaonekana kiasi. Wakasema hawana uwezo ya kumtoa mpaka waende wapate court order ama wapate government pathologist ambaye atafufua hiyo mwili. Tarehe 30 mwezi wa 7 huyu msichana alitoka nyumbani saa 11 na dakika 15 hivi. Akiongea na simu kuelekea kwa barabara, mama akajaribu kumzuia asitoke, akatembea tu.
Na gusika mutu mwanchu mulgereri nigo bone siringi ya Kenya egenderete buya kobwani chinse chinde ekiagera edora nigegenderete gokea arigori ayankorengana ano mwanchoreria oyu nainde oro mwana siasa korwase county ya Kisii asemarieta omongi na Jane Mora Matiabe ibono nigo asabire abakenya gusika umwera ibwense ya Kenya na gwetangana na kurwa asokumurama ekiagera nigatebiruna nigagenderete gokora umukia kegima
in our country kerango kwano obo maene bwa mangana nsendo chenye dora ya gure rigori isiringi yakinire onya yakinire ngitora ngaina nere naki nga Kenya terigo change Kenya tole buya nagenda Uganda 2 weeks ago digamba pesa ya Uganda telikende gyons yani very useless. You have 5 million tingo to kuira monto no bizi no nyene hoteli omugorire no nenda agira igote ono ngito kuna kuramere besa ya we are on na let us bush ad egere tonyore economy ya itebu ene kabisa tosuke na ande ka umugambiri baga abakorere gas our national leader president, let us give him chance atokorere gas akore gas buneta keire chigo ika 2027 no more mo challenge in the box nyetara akora ken lakini nyokorire kende then again you bush mwagende kuchimutu yakona kumurama mweri baga no nyene bukwe gukwananga murai tatakeiri kona kurama
na gokorera omwanchu mulgereria nigo bono kungusana na gotindi kwa renkirwe egati yechinsemo ibere echiababwatani ebe sekta ire ya bodaboda asensemo ya Syokimau ine ya Mlolongo ikaunti area Machakos yemayaga oyogotegwana kwene kibwa ekero kebochori wadenge kwaliganibwa buya nseme yemo nigo yarenge komocha egati y'abana siasa kuria baswana na obochori obo asensemo yende yarenge komocha oborai ibechi abisi echyo asebo tumikio bobe ebwechi kibeza cyabo eriyo goturubania obochori obwo wakorekana ritkorero asenseme yo ya Syokimau
kwa Machakos County specifically hatutaenda national sana. Tulichagua watu 5. Tulichagua governor, senator, women rep na tukachagua MP na MCA. Sioni kwa nini iwe ni staff kutoka kwa ofisi moja ya mheshimiwa mmoja kwa wale 5 tulichagua, ndio inapushi sana mambo ya kuita watu wa bodaboda, mambo ya kupeana pesa 500 wanawekewa mafuta ndio wazunguke huku wakituharibia jina. Hiyo si vizuri, si vyema na sioni kama ni uongozi bora.
Naona watu wamesema ati wamechaguana. Tunaona wanasema walikuwa 700. Sisi tumeshangaa hiyo namba mahali imetoka, sababu majority ya watu ya bodaboda hawakwenda kushiriki kwa hiyo uchaguzi. Na mimi nimejipata kwa hiyo karatasi yao ya ballot, ambapo mimi sikuhusika kwa hiyo mambo yao ya uchaguzi. Sababu ya sisi kukataa uchaguzi, tulikataa uchaguzi sababu tuliona kuna mapendeleo imefanywa pale na ofisi fulani za wanasiasa, na pia tukaona ni kama pia administration ya hapa ilikuwa na kipendeleo, na tulikuwa tumeomba nafasi kama watu wa bodaboda sisi wote tupewe nafasi moja, sisi tujichagulie, tufanye uchaguzi yetu bila kuhusisha mtu mwingine yote. Kama ni mwanasiasa wao wakae kando tu wakiangalia sisi tufanye uchaguzi.
Hii ofisi ambayo imeingia leo, tuko tayari kufanya na governor, tuko tayari kufanya na MP, tuko tayari kufanya na kila stakeholders na security wa hapa area ya Mlolongo Syokimau ward hata county. Kwa hivyo tumewakaribisha na mtukubalie kama viongozi wa nchi hata wa county, kutoka kwa president wa bodaboda akomblai Huyu ndio kiongozi ambaye tumechagua kama wanabodaboda wa Mlolongo Syokimau Ward, na huyu ndiye anafaa kufanya kazi na yeye, kwa sababu tumetumika vibaya. Pesa za wanabodaboda zimetumika vibaya.
Chidageka 15 na ibire chaptokire igoro ya Margoba ya Bono ayuna yanda mange na nyora sobikanu nseyemo amona Frida Kiribo bakwatira na mona Clinton Ondigi haiga migeteseni kyao kyabene egia Soko TV oboro sobomosi yanra utangere merobere yonsi imeya Soko TV na kutubwati ase enchinchara cheto chekrero yore Facebook YouTube unonye Twitter marieta nchikuru kwa Daniel Omwaga twara Margoba oromotoereru.